This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials so the activation goes smoothly. First, update Color OS and backup important data. This prevents unexpected restarts. Next, get your carrier's Esim QR or activation code and keep it handy. Once done, connect the Reno 12 5G to reliable Wi-Fi and ensure battery is above 20%. Now open Settings and head directly to SIM card and mobile data to start adding the eSIM profile. This kicks off the device-side provision. You now add the eSIM profile step by step. Tap Add eSIM and either scan the carrier QR code or choose Manual Setup to enter SMDP Plus and activation code. After the phone downloads the profile, confirm the carrier name and wait for provisioning. This can take a few minutes. Once provisioned, assign the eSIM as your primary or secondary line, then configure mobile data, preferred network type, and roaming permissions. Make sure to restart the phone if the network doesn't appear immediately. Finish by checking the connection and settings so you can use the line. Look for carrier name, signal bars, and test mobile data and calls. If it doesn't register, restart the Reno 12 5G, toggle airplane mode on and off, or remove and re-add the eSIM profile. If problems persist, rescan the QR or call your carrier with the activation ID. They can push the profile server side. One key troubleshooting tip: if provisioning times out, try a different Wi-Fi or cellular network before reattempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.